Greetings. I am a representative of the anti-Semite movement. These videos are not edited. They are AI assisted and read from script. This is part 2 of God came in sinful flesh to remove sin and condemn sin within the flesh. This journey of living sin-free is not just personal salvation, but also about being an example and a source of inspiration to others. As anti-Semites, we are called to be living testimonies of God's transformative power. Our actions, words, attitudes should reflect the purity and righteousness that the anti-Semites' God-given commandments advocate. These commandments guide us in various aspects of life, how we treat others, how we handle challenges, and how we remain steadfast in our faith. God's commandments teach us to practice love, forgiveness, humility, and justice. By internalizing and practicing these virtues, we begin to cleanse our flesh from sin and align our lives more closely within God's will. God's decision to come in sinful flesh and provide us with these commandments signifies his deep understanding of our struggles and his profound love for us. He does not expect perfection, but rather sincere effort and dedication to overcoming sin. This divine love assures us that we are not alone in our journey. God's grace and support are always available to help us uphold the anti-Semite principles and practices of sin-free living. Knowing that the flesh is weak, we remain open in fellowship with others who are strong in their commitment to sin-free living. In a world rife with temptations and moral ambiguity, living as anti-Semites is a revolutionary act. Living as an anti-Semite, sin-free, is a revolutionary act. It challenges the status quo and offers a vision of a life rooted in spiritual, sinless integrity and divine truth. Our commitment to condemning sin in our flesh and living sin-free has the power to inspire change, not only within ourselves, but also within our communities and beyond. As we strive to live out these ideals, each one of us become instruments of God's will, contributing to a larger purpose of spreading love, justice, peace, and happiness. Our lives transformed by the anti-Semite program, God's commandments ignite a ripple effect, encouraging others to join in the purpose of a sin-free existence. Together, we can build a world that reflects the divine values of compassion, righteousness, and holiness, fulfilling God's values, fulfilling God's ultimate values and vision for humanity's purification of mind and body. Peace.